have the issue of IDs, the ID replacement, and the first-time registration free. It's now free until 2027, Huduma Kenya has confirmed that replacing a lost national ID remains free. Nobody should charge you, following, President William Ruto's directive, waiving fees for first-time applicants until the year 2027. The initiative aims at increasing ID registration, particularly amongst the youth, expand access through registration in the mobile registration drives in rural and undeserved areas, and strengthen voter enrollment ahead of the upcoming general election. So usiweze kusema kwamba we Gen Z ati sasa una ID na kwa hivyo sasa huwezi kuenda kupiga kura. Kupiga kura ni haki yako, jitokeze, na tunajua raundi hii sisi wenyewe kama watu wa gava ni tutam. Hiyo tunajua hiyo kabisa. Kwa sababu His Excellency the President, all those developments that he's doing, for sure he deserves another term.